Hey Ewan, happy birthday. Damn, congrats, you're finally 16. We can go for NC16 movies now. So, like, where do I even start? Like, you're just such a good friend. You know, we spend so much time together, be it in school, after school, or like even outside of school. Like, pretty much every Saturday we go cycling together, we go to the arcade, we spend so much time on that one car game. So, like, we made quite a lot of memories, and, thanks for being such a good friend. And, like, hopefully we're in the same class next year so that we can make a lot more memories. So yeah, once again, congratulations on turning 16, and happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Yvonne. Thanks for being such an amazing friend and such a great person over the past 2 years. I'm so grateful to have met you and enjoy your birthday.
Hey Yuvi, wishing you a very happy birthday. Yeah, our journey actually dates back to before RI, even in KRS. Remember in that UWC nets during the Friday sessions, we used to be there. And yeah, one thing constant that stays from there is your energy, exuberance, your passion, and your eagerness to learn in the game. That is something that you've always kept with you, and really hope you continue to keep that along with you as we have this last year together playing for Raffles. And yeah, it's been a great journey with you so far. Keep being the encouraging and passionate friend that you are, and always keep that energy up, especially not just in the sport but in whatever you do. The passion and the eagerness to learn is very important. And yeah, really glad to have known you so far. Let's have a great half a year ahead and give our best for the team, and looking forward to playing with you again.
Yo, happy birthday, Yuvan. Hope you have a great birthday. Really miss being in the same class, man. Yeah, I hope next year can be in the same class, yeah.
Yo, happy birthday, Yuvan. Have a great day. And you know CDiv, yeah, CDiv was really fun with you, and thanks for being such a great senior. And take my catches next time. I'm joking, but happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yuvan. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Yuan. You're finally turning 16 after like all of us. You're the youngest here. And like, just have to say I'm really grateful for you because we have done so many things together. You're so nice, you're so funny. And like, we just had so many great experiences together, like playing football, or like, although I barely come, or like anything that we do in school, after school, and like even just talking outside normally. It's been really fun to just have you around. That's like a great friend. I'm really glad we met and just hope you have a great day. Congratulations on turning 16.
Hello, Evan. Happy birthday. Thank you for always being there as a very kind and good senior. I've always appreciated the friendship between us. I'll definitely miss you on our campus next year because we'll be in year 5, 6. And thank you for always supporting me and helping me through my CCA. Yeah. Thank you. Happy birthday.
What's up, Yuvan? Happy birthday, bro. Now you can finally watch NC16 movies in the theater. But jokes aside, you've really been a great friend to me back since the KRS days, and we have also been classmates for 4 years. Hopefully, we are the same classmates for the next 2 years in JC as well. Man, I really wish a great health and happiness for you in the future. And once again, happy birthday. Kikya hai tayar. I just say this because it's your birthday. I mean, I like KKR, but play bold. Yeah, this is RCB. So, yeah, signing off, Roy Lambo. Bye bye. Peace.
Hello everyone, happy birthday. Thank you for being a very nice senior and helping me throughout my 3 years in cricket so far.
Happy birthday, Ivan. Thank you for being such a great friend, and I'm grateful for having you in my life. And yeah, have a great birthday.
Hey Yuvan, I hope you are really enjoying your birthday celebrations, man. I'd like to wish you a really happy birthday, Yuvan. I wish you would be extremely successful in life. I would just like to tell you that you have been a great friend to me, Yuvan. I've never really seen you as a friend. I've always seen you as a brother. I've always told you we are brothers from another mother, So I'm really glad because from where we had started to where we are now, I think it's been a great journey. We had started out as friends and now we are brothers, man. And you've always been an important person in my life, You've always been with me in my highs and in my lows. And you're always the first person I look to share my problems with. And you're always helping me out, be it in studies, cricket, or life, or everything and anything, man. You're the first person I go to. And I hope our brotherhood lasts forever. And I really wish you a really happy birthday, man. And don't forget to thank your mother for putting all these videos together and giving you a surprise, yeah?
Happy birthday, Yuvan.
Hey Yuvan, happy birthday. I know you just turned 16 and that is a huge number. And I know things are gonna get more stressful and serious in life. So I wish you the very best. But for now, stay young and stay happy and enjoy this birthday.
Yuvan, happy birthday. We hope you enjoy your birthday with your family.
And hope you have a good time.
Yeah. You're getting older and older every year. But definitely not mature. Like that's just like, it's gonna blow my mind if it's actually possible.
Wow.
Exactly. Okay, so happy birthday and enjoy your birthday even though we can't come over.
I don't think he wants us here.
I totally agree. Like, heartbroken. Okay, so enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Bye. Hi, Yuvan. I don't really know what to say much, but happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your 16th birthday. 16th birthday is a milestone and stuff, so I really hope you enjoy it. And I hope you do well for your A-levels, but which is still pretty far away, but yeah. And you were really the person who I could share with everything and share my problems with. So yeah, and I really enjoy your company and the warmth you give off. Bye.
Hello, happy 16th birthday. You're someone I've shared a lot of good memories with, and I'm really thankful for that. And despite our ups and downs and everything, I really feel that I feel very thankful for you as a friend, and for all the good times we've shared together. And I hope you have a great day, a great year, and stay blessed and have a great 16th birthday.
Hi Yuvan, happy 16th birthday. Like every single year I have to say that I can't believe you're 16. You don't look like you're 16 at all. You have always been one of my closest friend and bestest friend. Thank you for dealing with me and my random fun facts for 14 years and being there for me during our late night talks. I do miss your entertainment very, very much. And yeah, I really hope this friendship grows forever. And this might be a bit cringy, but I want you to know that you mean a lot to me and I love you a lot. Once again, happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. And I really, really hope to see you soon. Bye.
Yo, what's up, Yunbai? Happy birthday. Wishing you a great year ahead and hope all your dreams come true. May you succeed in cricket and do well in your studies. Wishing you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Yuvan. I can't believe you're already 16. I bet you've heard this a lot lately, but you are really tall. You have been and are a really great role model. As good as you are in academics and sports, you are amazing in Brawl Stars. Thank you for always being there when I was bored or when I had no one to talk to. I really hope you enjoy your day, and once again, happy birthday.
Yo, what's up, Yunbai? Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true and I'm wishing you a great year ahead.
Hi Yuvan, wishing you a very happy birthday. May you have a lovely life ahead and do well as usual. Take care.
Hey UV boy, what's up? Wish you a very happy birthday. Make sure you listen to me, otherwise kuchinge. Remember that, huh?
Palkudi!
Palkudi!
Love you.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Yuvi. You have always been very close to me, very dear and very loving. And from childhood, we've been seeing that you're most obedient and disciplined kid. So keep it up. And the way you are with family, friends and parents, that you are very loving, caring, and you think for everyone. Just maintain that and be the way you are. So today is your 16th birthday. Completed O-level and going to be in JC. So yeah, have a blast and enjoy your day.
Hello, that was such a touching speech. I'm almost tearing, man. Your Our Boys to Men journey has started. You are not a kid anymore, but then again, people say men never get older. We only get taller. So stay young, stay cheerful, make the right choices, and keep going good. Happy birthday. With best wishes from all of us, and courtesy, your rock. Love you, man. Take care.
Happy birthday, Yuvan.
Hi Yuvan, wish you a very happy birthday. Lots of love. અને ગુજરાતીમાં જન્મદિન દિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભકામનાएं.
जन्मदिन की बधाइयाँ युवन.
Happy birthday, Yuvan. Have fun in your birthday.
Hi Yuvan, happy birthday. I hope you had a good day doing whatever you did. Very unfortunate that COVID diluted plans for your sweet 16. Hopefully we can meet up and all, celebrate your 17th but 17th together with a lot of sharab. Perhaps we can also invite Invisible Woman next year. I do not know what to say, and I am going free flow right now, so I cherish our moments, right, and I look forward to the many more to come. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yuvan. Have a great day. You're one of the nicest people we've met, and we are very proud to call you our friend.
You always manage to entertain us every time we come over to your house, and yeah, we'll really miss you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Yuvan, many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Yuvan. All the best. Do well, make us proud. God bless you.
Hey Yuvan, sweet 16, huh? Many happy returns of the day. Your parents should be really proud of you, and you have made them proud with whatever you have done, what you have achieved, and I wish you all the very best going forward, and we are all waiting to see you grow up to be a very fine gentleman. Keep rocking, young man. Have a blast. Bye-bye.
Hi Yuvan, happiest birthday to you. I wish all your dreams come true. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yuvan. Wishing you a fantastic year ahead. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியமாக இருக்குது திடீர்னு உன்னை இவ்வளோ உயரமாக பெரிய ஆம்பளை மாதிரி பார்க்குறதுக்கு. ஏன்னா இத்தனோண்டுலேருந்து பார்த்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா. By now you should know you're a beautiful combination of your mom and dad together. I'm just excited to see how you're going to make this combination better by bringing in your own flavor. இந்த வயசில் எனக்கு இந்த அட்வைஸ் கொடுத்துருந்தா நான் சந்தோஷப்பட்டிருப்பேன். அட்வைஸுங்கிறத விட டிப்புன்னு வச்சுக்கியே, ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் ஏதாவது ஒன்று வித்தியாசமாக செய்ய ட்ரை பண்ணேன். லைக் அது ஒரு புக்காக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை ஒரு புது ஹாபியாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை ஒரு புது விஷயத்தை கற்றுக்கலாம், இல்லை புது ஆளை மீட் பண்ணலாம். இந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஒன்று வித்தியாசமாக செஞ்சுக்கிட்டே இரு. ஏன்னா இந்த மாதிரியான புது அனுபவங்கள் தான் வாழ்க்கையில் வந்து நிறைய விஷயங்கள் புக்கு கற்றுக் கொடுக்காததை இந்த அனுபவங்கள் தான் கற்றுக் கொடுக்கும். ஏன்னா இதை எனக்கு அதிகம் கற்றுக் கொடுத்ததும் அப்பா தான். ஏன்னா every time he has challenged himself and he has excelled in every one of them. So I think that is the most apt advice I can give you at this age. Go for it. Any kind of adventure, anything that you want to do, we are all here to support you. நம்ம அதிகம் மீட் பண்ணுறதில்ல, பேசுறதில்ல, but I just want you to remember we are here, all excited to see you grow and soar to greater heights. Happy birthday.
ஹலோ யுவன், இந்த மகேஷ் மாமாவுடைய இனிய பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். சரியா, இன்று போல என்றுமே சந்தோஷமா இரு, நல்ல படி, நல்ல ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்ல அருமையா செய், நீ தொட்டதெல்லாம் வெற்றியாகும். சரியா, இன்னும் பல வெற்றிகள் பெற இந்த மகேஷ் மாமா, செண்பகமத்தை அண்ட் குட்டீஸ் எல்லாருடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஓகே, ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே, என்ஜாய் யுவர் செல்ஃப், டேக் கேர் அண்ட் காட் பிளஸ்.
Hello, but you are going 16, Mr. Yuvan, young man, huh?
Okay, I'll make it quick. Happy birthday, firstly. Secondly, you're 16, prime age. That's the best age. Don't get a girlfriend yet, not so early. Do well in your studies. Find your passion. Try to figure out what is it that you want to do in life. Work towards it. Set goals. Set short-term, long-term, mid-term goals. And you know what? I wish you all the best. You're a smart chap, and I've always been proud of you. Yeah, I've always shared about you to my other friends. And God bless you, Yuvan. And yeah, wow, 16. Saw you when you were like super small, and now you're 16. That shows that I'm getting very old. Okay, take care. And if you ever need anything, just drop me a call or message. All right. All the best, da. Take care.
Happy birthday, Yuvan. Have a great one, and hope I can be there in Singapore. But due to the pandemic, I'm not able to, or we are not able to be there. And hope you have a great blast, and hoping to see you when the borders open with your dad. Have a good one.
Yuvan, you're turning 16. Happy birthday!
Hi Yuvan, many happy returns of the day. I wish you all the best and only the best in life for you. Whatever you want to be, I know you're a very good, brilliant cricketer. Whatever you want to be in life, I wish all of that come true to you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Many happy returns of the day again.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Yuvan. Kalakku, all the best. Keep playing cricket as well. அப்பா நிறைய சொல்லியிருக்காரு, you're such a star அப்படின்னு. So I just wish you only the best in life, and God bless you, and all the very best, and have a great birthday. Love you, man.
Hello Yuvan, 16 going on 17 from tomorrow. Happy birthday to you.
ஹாய் தங்கம், வாழ்க வளமுடன், எல்லா வளமும் பெற்று நலமுடன் வாழ வாழ்த்துகிறேன். பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே யுவன் தங்கம், உன்னோட ஆசையில் நிறைவேறி நீ எப்பவும் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கணும்.
Hi Yuvan, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Yuvan, may all your dreams come true.
Hi Yuvan, happy birthday. It's your special day, just get out and celebrate. Hope all your wishes come true. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு நாளாச்சு இந்த சாம்பார் சாதம், தயிர் சாதம், தக்காளி சாப்பாடு இது எதுவுமே சாப்பிடாம நல்லா பிரியாணியாக சாப்பிடுங்க. இந்தியா வரும், நான் வெயிட் பண்ணுறேன். We miss you. Come soon to India. Have a good day. Bye bye. With love, Arvind.
Happy birthday Yuvan, வாழ்க வளமுடன். Happy birthday Yuvan, வாழ்க வளமுடன். அம்மாவெல்லாம் நல்லா பார்த்துக்க, பத்திரமா நல்லா சாப்பிடு, ஹாப்பியாக இரு.
Hi Yuvan, happy birthday.
ஹாய்டா, ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. மிட் டீன்ஸ் என்ஜாய் பண்ணு. ஸ்டே பிளஸ்ட். ஹாவ் அ வண்டர்ஃபுல் இயர் அண்ட் வண்டர்ஃபுல் டே அஹெட். ஹாப்பி பர்த்டேடா.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே மாமா. ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே யுவன், காட் பிளஸ் யூ. பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் யுவன்.
Happy birthday Yuvan.
பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் யுவன்.
Happy birthday Yuvan.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே யுவன், இந்தியா வாங்க சீக்கிரம்.
Many more happy returns of the day Yuvan. Yes Surmukhi.
Happy birthday Yuvan.
Happy birthday Yuvan.
Hi, my dear darling Yuvan. A very big F1 fan and very big number 14 Alonso fan. Many happy returns of the day and congrats for the P3. God bless you.
Yuvan Tangam, happy birthday Yuvan Tangam. Happy many more returns of the day.
Hi Yuvan Anna, happy birthday to you. Happy returns of the day. Wish you happy birthday to God.